Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making easy lasagna roll-ups. To begin, in a large pot over medium heat, add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then add in 1 pound of lean ground beef. Go ahead and break up the meat. Saute the beef until it turns brown and all the pink is gone and it has been fully cooked through. Once the ground beef has turned brown, add in 1 small onion, diced. Saute the onion for a couple of minutes until it becomes translucent. Then add in 5 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Go ahead and toss that in for about 1 minute or so, or until the garlic becomes fragrant. Now pour in a 24-ounce jar of marinara sauce. Feel free to add half a cup of water to the jar and get all the sauce out of the jar. Go ahead and stir the sauce in to combine. Add 1 cup of beef stock and about half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper or to taste. Give that a stir and bring to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, reduce the heat to medium-low. Continue simmering on medium-low for about 30 minutes. And after simmering for 30 minutes, the meat sauce is done. Now fill up a large pot with cold water. Over high heat, bring the water to a boil and add in 2 tablespoons of salt. Add in a whole box of lasagna noodles or 16 ounces. Cook the noodles as per direction on the package. We want the noodles to be al dente, so do not overcook. Once the noodles have cooked, drain and transfer into a bowl. Soak the noodles in cold water to stop the cooking process and keep the noodles from sticking together. Now, in a mixing bowl, add in 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, followed by 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, a quarter of a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1 large egg, and a quarter of a cup of fresh Italian parsley. Go ahead and mix until evenly incorporated. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now in a 9x13 baking dish, add about half a cup of the meat sauce. The meat sauce is going to help them from sticking to the bottom of the baking dish. Now, to contain any mess over a large baking sheet, line 6 lasagna noodles, just like so. Then add 1 ice cream scoop of the cheese mixture to each lasagna noodle. With a spatula, go ahead and spread the cheese mixture up and down. This is going to get messy, but don't worry, the messier the better. Spread out about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of the meat sauce. Then roll each lasagna noodle just like so. Repeat the same process with the rest of the noodles. Once they have been rolled up, transfer to the baking dish. Add the rest of the sauce to the top of the lasagna roll-ups. Then sprinkle 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Cover the baking dish with one loose piece of aluminum foil. You don't want the cheese sticking to the aluminum foil, so make sure that it's pretty loose. Now bake at 375 degrees for 45 minutes. And after baking for 45 minutes at 375 degrees, remove the aluminum foil. Change the temperature of your oven to broil and broil for about 3 minutes or until the cheese is lightly brown. And if everything goes according to plan, your easy lasagna roll-ups should look like this. You may garnish with fresh Italian parsley, and now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, easy lasagna roll-ups. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.